Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Excel.
How to use the match function in Microsoft Excel. The match function is a function available in Microsoft Excel. We use it to locate the position of a lookup value in a row, column, or table. When we use the match function, it searches for a specified item in a range of cells and then returns the relative position of that item in an array that matches a specified value in a specified order. We must select the Formula tab and then locate the area of the ribbon named Functions Library. Once the Functions Library is located, we select the category Lookup and Reference, where we can see all the available functions and select the Match function. Match, lookup value, lookup array, match type. Returns the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specified value in a specified order. Once the match function is selected, the function arguments dialog box appears. In this dialog box, we are notified that the match function returns the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specified value in a specified order. We have three different arguments that we must input, and which are: lookup value is the value that we use to find the value that we want in the array, a number, text, or logical value, or a reference to one of these. Lookup array is a continuous range of cells containing possible lookup values, an array of values, or a reference to an array. Match type is a number 1, 0, or -1, indicating which value to return. In the lookup value argument box, I have entered the number 789 that I want to be returned. In the lookup array argument box, I have selected the area for where I want the search to take place and from where the result to be extracted. In the match type argument box, I have entered the argument 1. The default value for this argument is 1. If the argument is 1 or omitted, the function match finds the largest value that is less than or equal to the lookup value. The match function will find the result in the table array, the number 789. The result will be 4, because the number 789 is located in the fourth cell of the table array. Once again, I select the match function to show another example. The match function will try to find the closest result in the table array by looking up the number 550. The lookup array will be the same area from where I want to extract the result. If the argument is 1 or omitted, the function match finds the largest value that is less than or equal to the lookup value. The values in the lookup array argument must be placed in ascending order. If the argument is 0, the function match finds the first value that is exactly equal to the lookup value. The values in the lookup array argument can be in any order. If the argument is -1, the function match finds the smallest value that is greater than or equal to the lookup value. The values in the lookup array argument must be placed in descending order. The result will be no answer because the data in the table area are not sorted in a descending order. and because in the match type I typed the number -1. Just by sorting the area in a descending way, we now have a result.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.